Unit 3, Greeting and Introduction.
Hi, Al. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing good. Who's your friend?
Oh, this is Bob. We went to school together. Bob, this is Juanita.
Hi, nice to meet you, Juanita.
Hi. Nice to meet you, too.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome, but you look okay.
Wow, thanks.
Juanita, is my aunt here?
No, she isn't. She should be in around 10. Here's some menus.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
I'll have coffee, please.
Okay. Would you like sugar and milk?
I like my coffee black.
Okay. 1 black coffee.
I'll have fresh squeezed orange juice, please.
We don't have any orange juice. I'll be right back. Who's your friend?
This is Bob. We went to school together.
Hi, nice to meet you, Juanita.
Hi. Nice to meet you, too. Can I get you anything to drink? Would you like sugar and milk?
I like my coffee black.